Today we're going to learn about a British holiday. We are going to learn about Bonfire Night. Everyone say Bonfire Night.
Bonfire Night.
You're going to learn the history of Bonfire Night. Learn the traditions of Bonfire Night. Tradition means something you do all the time. So Chinese New Year, the tradition is to put red couplets on the door and you go see your family and have a big dinner. So a tradition means something you do all the time. Okay, everyone, in your notebooks, write down the key words. So in your notebooks, write down the key words. Today's date is the 18th of October. Today's date. Okay, the first word is Catholic. Everyone say Catholic.
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 Priest.
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 Plot.
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 Bomb.
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 Gunpowder.
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 Cellar.
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 Torture.
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 Prison.
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 Treason.
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 Confess.
Confess.
Confess. James I was crowned King of England. What is the missing word? What's the key word? England. So in the first space, write England. Okay, James VI of Scotland becomes James I, King of England. Many Catholics thought he would help them and change the laws to make their lives better. So the Catholics were like, oh, we got a new king! Yay! A new king! Whoops. But he made new laws, making their lives more difficult. So, what's the key word here? Out of the back. Difficult, yes. The key word, difficult. He fined Catholics for not going to the Church of England, and he put many Catholic priests to death.
P-R-I-E-S-T.
So what word is that?
Oh,
Priest.
priest.
So the key word is priest. So, the new king said, I'm the King of England. If you don't go to my church, you need to give me money.
Money.
And if you keep going, okay, if you keep going to the other church, I will kill you. So, give me money, because you don't go to my church. You go to the other church. Because you go to the other church too much, I kill you. So, do you think Catholics like the king? No. So the Catholics didn't like him because he made their lives more difficult. So a lot of Catholics in England were
Angry.
angry. The key word? work. So the king would go to this building and work. What did the Catholics want to do? Kill him. Yeah. So what would they use to kill him? A bomb. Excellent. They would use a bomb to kill the king. No, not bang, a bomb. So, 1604, Robert Gatsby, a Catholic and the gang leader, made a plot to blow up Parliament on the day it opens. So, what is the key word? No. Keyword right here. Yes? Well, that's right. Robert. Yes. Robert Catsby is the key word. Robert Catsby. Robert Catsby. Okay, Andy? Guy Fawkes. Catsby asked Guy Fawkes, a bomb expert, to help. What's the key word? Yes, bomb expert. What is an expert?
Really good.
Okay? So expert means you are very good at something. So expert is you're very good at something or you know a lot about it. So if you're a basketball expert, you're very good at basketball, you know a lot about basketball. Roy, pay attention. So if I'm a computer expert, I know lots about the computer. Guy Fawkes is a bomb expert. He's very good at making bombs. So he's very good at making bombs. He's a bomb expert. They hid gunpowder under the Houses of Parliament. What's the key word here? Gunpowder, yes. These are barrels. So a barrel is like a big bucket. The plot. Remember, this is Parliament. This is where the king works. Yes, this is London, this is Big Ben. And this is Guy Fawkes. The gang hid gunpowder under Parliament, and when the king arrived, they would blow him up. That was their plan. 36 barrels of gunpowder were moved to the cellar and hidden behind firewood. Guy Fawkes was left in charge of guarding. Yes, 36. That's the key word, 36. Who sent the warning? The king didn't go to Parliament. The king got a letter. So he got a letter saying, don't go, it's dangerous. So who sent the warning? Lord Monteagle, a member of Parliament, got a letter from his cousin, who was a member of the gang, warning him not to go to the opening of Parliament. Well, the answer? Cousin, yes. Cousin, C-O-U-S-I-N, cousin. Why do you think the cousin sent the letter? Do you want your family to get hurt? So, Lord Monteagle is his cousin. So, do you want to blow up your cousin? Do you want to kill your family?
No.
No. That's why he sent the letter saying, cousin, don't go to Parliament. It's dangerous. Because he didn't want to kill his cousin. The letter was shown to the king. Yeah, very good, Marco. Keyword letter. L-E-T-T-E-R. Letter. Okay, next. The king's men stopped the plot. Guy Fawkes was captured. The king ordered a search of the cellars. John Johnson was found with a pile of wood. What is the key word here?
Cellars.
Cellars. Yes. Cellars. So the king sent men to the cellars. The king's men were looking around, and then they saw a guy, and they were like, "Who are you?" And he said, "John Johnson." Okay, bye. The king's men left. They told the king, they said, "Hey, we looked in the cellars, all we saw was John Johnson." The king was angry. He's like, "Who's John Johnson? Go look again." So, the second search, gunpowder was found. Johnson was arrested and taken to the Tower of London. What's the key word? Yes. Tower of London. Who can tell me what is the Tower of London? Have a look on your worksheet. It will tell you. The Tower of London is a prison. Yes. The Tower of London is a prison. What do they do in the Tower of London? So what do they do in this prison? So what do they do? It's a key word, begins with T. Have a look at your keywords, your key vocabulary. Torture, yes. So in the Tower of London, they torture people. So you see here, someone is being tortured. They tie your legs, they tie your arms, and they stretch you. They stretch you, they stretch you, they stretch you. And when you're being stretched, they also hit you. So they will hit you across the stomach. So, tell me, they torture you. Johnson was tortured and told the truth. Said he was really Guy Fawkes and confessed everything about what got him to kill the king. So, what's the key word here? Yeah, Guy Fawkes. Very good, Rosita. So the key word, Guy Fawkes. So, who was John Johnson? Yeah, John Johnson was really Guy Fawkes. January 1606. What's the key word? January. Yeah. The gang were captured and then hung, drawn, and quartered for the crime of treason. What's the key word?
Treason.
Treason. Yeah. Hand drawn and quartered is a way to kill someone. So first they would drag you behind a horse. they would tie you up, they would hit the horse would run and drag you behind the horse. And then you are hanged. They will hang you, you're just about to die, and then they let you go, so you're like, but then they cut off your arms and legs, and then you are dead. So, first you are drawn. You are dragged behind a horse. Then you are hanged. And then you are quartered. Remember, quarter means 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, they don't cut off your head. No. Roy, don't be bad. So, hung, drawn, and quartered. What key word is this? In your vocabulary, what key word? Not treason. It's the other key word. So how would you describe the way they kill you? What key word? Torture. Very good, Frank. So they torture you and they kill you. So is this a good or bad way to die?
Bad.
Yes, very bad way. Okay, bonfire night traditions. Bonfire just means big fire. So bonfire night, big fire night. So you can see lots of bonfires. It is the 5th of November because that was the day the gang were found. It's also called Guy Fawkes Night, Clock Night, or Fireworks Night. It's celebrated because the king didn't die. So, what's the missing word, the key word here?
November.
November, yes. Remember the 5th of November. Children make a life-size puppet of a guy and beg for money. It's known as a penny for the guy. A life-size puppet is then burnt on the fire. Yes, the key word is penny. So children make a guy, they make a big puppet from their old clothes. So they take their old clothes, put newspaper inside, and they ask for money. They don't say, give me money. They say, penny for the guy. So they want money. It's like, penny for the guy. Okay, here's a penny. Thank you. So you ask for money, and then afterwards, you throw your guy on the fire. It's like, bye-bye. But bonfires are used to cook food as well, such as potatoes and cheese wrapped in foil. So you take a potato, you cut it, you put cheese inside, you wrap it up, you put it in the fire, and then you have cheese and potatoes and cheese. And this is very delicious. You also have sausages, burgers, other meat, and chestnuts, which you put in the fire. So all this food is very yummy. It's delicious. Parking cake, chocolate marshmallows, candy, caramel apples are also eaten. What's the key word here?
Candy.
Caramel. So candy, caramel. And I have good news. In 2 weeks, we are going to make We will go upstairs and we will cook caramel apples in the school kitchen. Excited? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Because this is very yummy. It's super delicious. Still writing? Okay, quickly finish. Caramel. It's car, C-A-R, then A, and then L, F-E-L. Caramel. Caramel. A fun game played is apple bobbing, and there's a fireworks show throughout the night. What's the key word here?
Apple Barbie.
Yes, apple bobbing. It's a fun game. You have apples in water, and then you need to grab the apple in your mouth. Your hands are behind your back, and you go like this. And when you get the apple, you can eat it. Just like this. Face down, eat the apple.